Assalamu alaikum everybody and welcome to a brand new episode of The Tonight Show. आज का भी हमारा show काफी interesting है because we are bringing you on the show most regularly. We always try to bring people who जो पाकिस्तान का नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं किसी ना किसी तरीके अपने तरीके से, चाहे वो कोई भी फील्ड हो उनकी. आज के हमारे शो में जो अभी हमें रिसेंटली न्यूज़ पता चली है, जो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ है कि एंटार्क्टिक ओशन जो बहुत बड़ा ओशन है, समंदर, एंटार्क्टिक समंदर के अंदर एक काला ब्लॉब यानी एक काला एक चीज काली, मतलब कुछ भी हो सकती है, वो कुछ भी चीज हो सकती है, वो गंद हो सकता है, कीचड़ हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. एक काला ब्लॉब एंटार्क्टिक ओशन के अंदर बीच में मिला है. साइंटिस्ट ये बता नहीं पा रहे कि ये ब्लैक ब्लॉब है क्या, लेकिन मैं ये बताता चलूं साइंटिस्ट को. मैं एक हिंट दे दूं, अभी रिसेंटली यूनिस शायद हमारे जो वीजे हैं उन्होंने अभी मसाला बिहारी कबाब रोल खाया था और उनको कोई बाथरूम फ्री मिला नहीं, तो उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं एंटार्क्टिक ओशन से होकर आऊँ. तो एंटार्क्टिक ओशन में वो जो काला ब्लॉब है, समझा करें, मैं आपको एक हिंट दे रहा हूँ कि वो कहाँ से आया और क्यों आया. पेट खराब होने की वजह से भी हो सकता है. उसके अलावा एक रिसेंटली न्यूज़ पता चली है कि एक मूवी बनने वाली है फेसबुक के क्रिएटर के ऊपर, जिसने फेसबुक, जिस पे हम लोग सारे बैठे होते हैं पूरे दिन, फेसबुक के जो क्रिएटर हैं उस पर एक फिल्म बनाई जा रही है जिस इज कॉल्ड एक्सीडेंटल बिलियनियर्स एंड इट विल बी स्टारिंग शाया लबॉफ. दैट्स गोना बी क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. ऑब्वियसली वी नीड टू नो कि ये फेसबुक आया कहाँ से, क्योंकि हमें ये किसी को नहीं पता. अगर आप किसी से भी पूछें जिसको जो फेसबुक इस्तेमाल करता है, उनको ये नहीं पता कि फेसबुक आया कहाँ से, लेकिन उनको ये जरूर पता है कि फेसबुक है क्या. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ कमिंग योर वे एंड टुनाइट ऑन द शो वी गॉट समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज वी हैव वन ऑफ द मोस्ट sought after and one of the most prestigious documentary filmmakers of the country. Documentaries और films और पाकिस्तान के बारे में फिल्में बनाना ये इनका फोटे है और ये पाकिस्तान के बाहर भी काफ़ी इन्होंने काम किया है. दुनिया भर से इन्होंने अवार्ड जीते हैं, लाइक द लिविंगस्टन अवार्ड, द एशियन यंग जर्नलिस्ट अवार्ड and many other major awards of all over the world. She has managed to win those awards because of her work. उसके साथ साथ पाकिस्तान का पहला सिटीजन आर्काइव, जिसके अंदर पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री से लेके पाकिस्तान के बर्थ से लेके पाकिस्तान के रूट्स के बारे में जो हिस्ट्री का एक पूरा जो आर्काइव है वो इन्होंने तैयार किया है. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, a very very cool and a very great person is on the show tonight. Sharmeen Ubaid Chinoy is on the show tonight, so it's going to be fantastic. Sharmeen Ubaid Chinoy, a very very cool documentary filmmaker. उसके अलावा we've got this special performance. आपको पता है हमेशा हम आपको नया टैलेंट हमारे शो पर लाकर देते हैं. नया टैलेंट इसलिए लाकर देते हैं कि हम आपको दिखाना चाहते हैं कि पाकिस्तान में टैलेंट की कमी कोई है नहीं, और जो ये समझता है कि पाकिस्तान में सिर्फ बंगड़ा आर्टिस्ट हो सकता है या पॉप आर्टिस्ट हो सकता है, R&B आर्टिस्ट हो सकता है, रॉक आर्टिस्ट हो सकता है, आपको मैं बताता चलूँ कि पाकिस्तान में एक इंस्ट्रूमेंटल म्यूजिशियन भी हो सकता है जो प्योरली इंस्ट्रूमेंटल काम करता है, लेकिन a one of its kind of a person, and very very talented guitar players on the show who will be performing later on. Usman Riaz is on the show tonight. Usman Riaz, very talented young man. And with that, we're going to start the show without any further ado, so do not go anywhere. Let's show you a little bit of work of Sharmeen Ubaid with the beginning of the show. Check this out. This is The Tonight Show.
The crime rate in South Africa is notoriously high, and it's at its highest here in the Johannesburg suburb of Hillbrow. Over 2,000 armed robberies and 127 murders reported in the last year alone.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
We're on daylight patrol with Senior Superintendent Koos van Rijn.
Tell me, how have illegal immigrants affected crime in your area?
Very badly. Zimbabweans, they got a nice sense of dealing in fraudulent goods or then also stolen goods, and they also are very much involved in the street robberies. Okay, move. You can see they start running. Okay, stop.
He'd spotted some Nigerian drug dealers.
Stand still! Okay, stand still! Come here! Lie down! Okay, move that way! Move! Just lie
There are
down.
people running all over the place.
I'm not going anywhere.
Why are you running?
I'm not running, sir.
Oh, yes.
I'm not running. I'm coming up here.
Move your tongue.
You're searching for drugs.
The police have been using rubber bullets to scare the people so that they stop running.
Go up! Go!
This is a major problem in this area. Nigerians dealing in drugs, and they've just arrested both these people for possession of heroin.
वेलकम बैक एवरीबॉडी। आप लोग हमारे साथ देख रहे हैं द टुनाइट शो विद मी डीनो। याद रखिए, अगर आप हमें कोई भी फीडबैक देना चाहते हैं आप बिल्कुल दे सकते हैं tonight@mtvpakistan.com पर tonight@mtvpakistan.com। नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू इंट्रोड्यूस आवर गेस्ट टुनाइट। मैं थोड़ा पढ़ के आपको बताऊंगा क्योंकि इन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ किया हुआ है। मुझे ये चीज़ें इतनी सारी याद हो नहीं सकती क्योंकि आई एम at the end of the day only a VJ. I mean, the suit doesn't really carry off that well. Anyway, so in 7 years she's done 13 films for major networks in the United States and Britain, including CNN, PBS, Channel 4 UK and Discovery Channel. Uske alawa, she is the first non-American journalist to be awarded the prestigious Livingston Award. And uske saath saath, she is the youngest recipient of the One World Media Broadcast Journalist of the Year Award in the United Kingdom. She has, of course, developed the first Citizens Archive, which is सारे जो हमारे roots हैं पाकिस्तान के उनके बारे में है, और she introduces that to the youth of Pakistan because obviously that's what we need to know our roots. उसके अलावा she's done some amazing documentaries that has been critically acclaimed and people all over the world have seen her work, and it's brilliant to see a Pakistani just doing stuff for Pakistan in a way which is something we can talk about and something we can respect. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on my show documentary filmmaker Sharmeen Ubaid Chinoy. हेलो, कैसी हैं आप? ठीक ठाक? प्लीज हैव अ सीट। हाँ जी, सही था इंट्रोडक्शन, सही था?
बिल्कुल।
आपने बुरा तो नहीं माना?
You didn't mess up my name.
I didn't mess up your name. I have done that to a few people, but you're one of the lucky ones. It's okay. मैंने actually लिखा हुआ था, मैं याद कर रहा था पढ़ते हुए। Okay, so बताएं, how are you?
I'm very well.
And what is happening nowadays? क्या हो रहा है आजकल?
Basically, मेरी पिछली फिल्म जो रिलीज हुई थी about 3 months ago, called Pakistan's Taliban Generation.
Right.
And उसके बाद that's my first life. मेरी first life is as a journalist.
Right.
ठीक है. My second life is Citizens Archive of Pakistan.
Right.
And उसके अंदर we've just launched a school program with 5 schools, and we're working with children to make them aware of Pakistan's history, get them the stories about what it was like living in Pakistan in the 40s, 50s, 60s.
That's very interesting actually. मतलब obviously बच्चों को आप introduce करा रही हैं पाकिस्तान के roots और उसकी history से, तो what's been the feedback about that?
Fantastic. Let me say कि हम भी जब स्कूल में पढ़ रहे थे तो हमें पाकिस्तान स्टडीज की किताब से नफरत थी।
Social studies.
because it was so boring. We had to रट्टा करना था पूरा पाकिस्तान की हिस्ट्री के from the Mughals down till the 80s. And so what we've done is we've taken the stories of grandparents, parents, ordinary citizens of Pakistan जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान की partition देखी, उसके बाद कश्मीर वॉर देखी, 50s देखा, 65 वॉर देखी onwards, and उनकी stories, उनकी photographs से we're telling the story of Pakistan to the next generation.
And मतलब basically जो लोग who are actually living, people who have gone through that entire experience.
Exactly.
आपने उन लोगों के interviews लेकर, उन लोगों से बातचीत कर उनके experiences से लेकर Citizen Archive बनाया. But when did the idea actually hit you? Citizen Archive बनाने का मतलब जब idea आया था तो कब आया था और किस वजह से या क्या what inspired it?
2007, early 2007, एक मेरी दोस्त थी, parents are Pakistani but she's lived all her life abroad.
Right.
And she said, isn't it so sad that we don't know anything about our country? And instantly I became very, I know a lot about my country.
Okay.
And she's like, no, but out of the textbooks, what do you know about Pakistan? What do you know about the stories of your country? Because every great nation preserves its history, because history says we learn what mistakes we've made, what our successes have been, and it also gives you a sense of pride. And immediately I thought, it's very sad, but we don't preserve our history, and it's very fortunate कि हमारे मुल्क में अभी वो generation, जिस generation ने 1947 की partition देखी थी, उसके अंदर हिस्सा लिया था, वो अभी तक alive है. हम उनकी कहानियाँ record कर सकते हैं. So that's how this idea was born.
Okay, so Citizen Archive, obviously, it's been getting such a great feedback, and जब से वो निकला, a lot of people have been giving you some great, जिसे कहते हैं, जिसे कहते हैं props for coming up with this fantastic idea for the people of Pakistan. But मुझे बताएं, now talking about your work in films, इतने सारे awards आपने जीते, इतनी सारी achievements हैं आपकी with your films and everything. तो when you set out to be a filmmaker and set out to be a documentarian, मतलब लोगों ने जब feedback देना शुरू किया और आपको awards देने शुरू किए, was that actually the goal? To be recognized as a filmmaker?
The goal was, look, when I started making films, there were no television channels in Pakistan. There was only PTV.
Right.
Okay? Or I was a student in America and 9/11 had just happened, and I was thinking that there are no voices from the Muslim world talking about the issues that affect us.
बिल्कुल.
ठीक है? And who better to talk about the issues that affect us, people from this part of the world.
Right.
And so that's when I decided I wanted to get into something visual. I was a print journalist from the age of 14, but I wanted to become a television journalist. So I was 21 years old, a Pakistani passport, which comes with its whole host of its own issues. कौन funding देगा, कहाँ जाएंगे, to make a documentary film. सबसे I think important बात है, I'd never studied documentary films.
Okay.
I'd barely even seen one in my life.
Really? And you became a filmmaker, but you'd never seen documentary.
I rarely had
yourself.
ever seen them, but I thought I came back to Pakistan. I wrote up a proposal. And I said, let's make a film about what happens to Afghan refugee children when they come to Karachi.
Right.
And that's when the American bombing had started in Afghanistan. And I went back and मैंने कोई 80 television channels / production companies को लिखा होगा.
सही.
80 rejections आए थे.
80 rejections आए थे, okay.
Some of them said, very bold of you to write.
We really respect you. Yeah, but we will not fund you. Right.
But then I wrote to the president of New York Times Television and cold call, I just wrote to him. And he responded and called me in for a meeting. And that's when I started working for the New York Times.
Right. Okay. And मुझे बताएं now, obviously seen most of your work, you have made a lot of many documentaries on radical Islamic views. मतलब पाकिस्तान के Islamic views और जो fundamentalists हैं और जो extremists हैं, आप you usually go for the really hardcore, जिसे कहते हैं views and reviews जो होते हैं. Why talk about those things in particular?
Well, I've made 4 films in Pakistan. One is about Afghan refugee children. One is about a trip from Lahore to Peshawar to show the changing nature of what was happening in Pakistan in 2002, which is when really I believe the birth of the Taliban movement was taking place in Pakistan.
Right.
And my 3rd film was about the earthquake, so it had nothing to do really with radicalization. My 4th film was about India-Pakistan peace. And my 5th film, which I just finished in Pakistan, was about a whole generation of children growing up in this country जिनको बहुत brainwash किया जा रहा है कि they become radical, suicide bombers and things like that. I believe that every patriot in every country needs to talk about the issues that confront that country.
बिल्कुल.
और हमारे मुल्क में बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो समझते हैं कि हमारे कोई प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, हमें पाकिस्तान को एक पर्टिकुलर लाइट के अंदर प्रोजेक्ट करना है. It's well and good to project Pakistan in a certain light, मगर अगर reality on the ground is very different, तो आप झूठ नहीं बोल रहे अपने आप को भी.
Yeah, you should be able to tell your kids कि actually हो क्या रहा है, Not tell them कि everything's all hunky-dory, but actually कुछ और हो रहा है on the ground.
And we can only become better as a nation if we discuss our problems and हम उस discussion से हम solutions ढूंढें.
बिल्कुल.
हम ये तो कह सकते हैं कि इस मुल्क में literacy है, बिजली है, पानी है, radicalism नहीं है, मगर नहीं है.
सही बात.
So I believe that we need to talk about the issues that confront us.
बिल्कुल, absolutely, and we will talk about a lot more things with Shameen Ubaid Chunay. बड़ा मजा आ रहा है और अगर आप लोगों को मजा आ रहा है तो आप देखते रहिए. Do not touch that dial. याद रखिए अगर कोई भी feedback आप देना चाहते हैं बिल्कुल दे सकते हैं. tonight@mtvpakistan.com. My producer is asking me to, dude, move to a break. I'm moving to a break, dude. Relax. Let's come back to after the break.